So hello friends, today Team Exhibition Showcase is covering the second edition of UP International Trade Show, which is happening in Greater Noida, India Expo Mart from 25th to 29th of September. This 5-day trade show is highlighting the best of Uttar Pradesh offerings in various sectors, be it tourism, textiles, handlooms, electronics, semiconductors, education, IT, medical. So all these sectors are participating here to display what they are offering to attract domestic and international investors to Uttar Pradesh. As we all know that the government of Uttar Pradesh has implemented 25 sectoral policies to promote various sectors and to attract large-scale investment opportunities in the state. So this event is the best platform to understand these policies and to understand what the government of Uttar Pradesh is offering to the investors. Well friends, this is a 5-day industry event, and if you are a general customer, then the visiting hours start from 3 p.m. to 8 p.m. and for business customers this event is open from 11 a.m. till 3 p.m. So if you are a business enthusiast, if you are looking for new products, innovations, solutions, and to grow your business in various sectors, then you have to visit this event at India Expo Mart. Team Exhibition Showcase is covering the event. Come, let me give you the glimpses. A lot of brands are participating, be it the general brands, be it the various offerings of Uttar Pradesh in different sectors. So we have more than 2,500 exhibitors participating in this event, and more than 1 lakh exhibitors from business domain, like business visitors are expected to visit this event, and more than 3 lakh visitors are expected to visit who are the consumers, like the trade, like the general visitors who are going to visit this event in these 5 days. Stay tuned to Exhibition Showcase. If you have not yet subscribed to our channel, do hit like and subscribe, because we bring to you the latest content from the world of exhibitions. Come with me, let us give you the glimpses of this event. And I am standing with the chairman of India Exposition Mart, Shri Rakesh Kumar ji. Thank you, sir, for giving us time. Huge congratulations. What a grand opening of this show. Sir, please share with us what have been the key highlights of this event.
Second edition of the UP International Trade Show was today inaugurated by Honorable Vice President of India, Shri Jagdeep Dhankar ji, along with the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh, Shri Aditya Yogi Nath ji, and the Cabinet Minister of the Government of India, MSME, Shri Jitan Ram Manjhi. So this was really a great magnitude of the entire show. We have over 2,500 exhibitors from all over the Uttar Pradesh. The participants are only the manufacturers and producers of the Uttar Pradesh. They are all from the small, medium, macro, large corporate sector. We have large company present here, Torrent, Vishal Pipe, the APL. We also have the DLF, Reliance, Adani, Patanjali. We also have here all the departments of the government of Uttar Pradesh. They are also showcasing their schemes and other benefits for the beneficiaries. We have in a very large number ODOP participants from all the 75 districts. Participants are also from all the sector, all the product category. We also have 2 special hall for export promotion, who are representing all exportable products from Uttar Pradesh, because Uttar Pradesh contribute over 1,40,000 crore of the total exports in the Uttar Pradesh economy and the India's economy. A lot of buyers from the 70 countries, they have come under the market access initiative of the Government of India. So FIO is coordinating that part, and we had very large number of the presence of the overseas buyers here today. Over 500 buyers were present today, and many more are coming in the next few days. We have total registered 1,70,000 8,000 B2B registration with us. Beside that, we also have, we are expecting more than 3 lakh of the people in the next 3 days. Altogether, there are going to be around 5 lakh persons present in the trade show.